Colaz named the team of people that he's going to be working with from now on, without any addition, without any subtraction. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Reviews, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
The team there. See? Can't tell you, but we all look. All right, talk.
No, me make a talk, man.
All right.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Reviews. So Colaz has named out his full team, and this is the team that he plans to work with. When you look on what has happened in the past and where they are to this point in their thing, is just such a good look to see them going from strength to strength. And I just want to take this time out once more to wish the team all the best. Some of the times when you're doing certain things, and you have a good team working with, and sometimes you have people coming on board, new people, this is what causes problems at times. And we have seen situations like this over and over, which has caused so many good things to come to an end, especially when you have a great team working with from in the start, and then you decide that you want to add somebody to this team. Some of the time that's not the best idea, and we are seeing how that has turned out as it relates to Colaz doing that. But with that said, we just want to look on the brighter picture ahead and how this team gonna grow from strength to strength. So in this video, Colaz actually named the team and stated how he planned to do his thing from now on. And I just want to give my hats off once more to him, and I hope that he continue on this path of success and just continue to be the individual that he is, because he's doing so great, more than he even can believe by himself, and impacting and touching so many lives, not only locally but even on an international scale. So in this video, Colaz highlight the plans for the team and how he plans to do his thing and moving forward from what has happened in the past. But based on what I've observed so far, it seems as if Colaz plan to go all out with this team based on the videos that he have been posting so far, and it seems as if the team is getting along so well. So he initially started out with some of these members, and then the team grew into what it is to date, and it's just a good look to see the team coming back together and each individual playing their role, and each one of them know that this is a task and they have their task cut out for them to do. Colaz has been so instrumental in guiding and shaping the lives of these young individuals, and they have come so far and build into what they are today. So I just want this team to continue to press on, even though there are going to be challenges at times, but the manner in which they bounce back from these adversities and challenges, this is what gonna decide whether or not this team can go on. So there are gonna be struggles, there are gonna be hardships, everything is not gonna be smooth sailing, but sticking together, working things out within the team, and not running to the social media with every single thing or anytime there is any breakdown within the team. I love how they dealt with the whole Grongat situation. You did not saw any of the members coming out and even trying to bash Colaz. They just maintained their own composure and gave their own sense of belief of how they think things are. They did not go in depth into revealing what was the true meaning behind everything, and they just did their videos, and then the whole entire thing just boiled down in no matter of time. And this is how social media is. If you fuel the story, it will continue, and people just keep on talking about the whole thing, and some of the time they just blow it out of proportion and make it seem as if more than what it really is. But when we look on what is going on as it relates to Colaz, the team is back together. They're doing their thing, doing their cooking adventure videos, which I tell you are so interesting. So you guys can just go over there, check those videos out. But it's a really good feeling to actually see the team back together, each and every one just playing their part and just building this channel from strength to strength. With the incident that happened in the past as it relates to Nick Gronga, the whole house situation, that is a thing that has passed and gone. However, I know within myself that Colaz have learned so much things from that incident, and I believe that he didn't let him get him down per se, because he still continued to just do his thing and just move past it in no matter of time, which was, I believe, was a really good move by him in order to just push it to the side and just press on with the great things that he have in store for his viewers, and just to continue to help people right across as he continues to do from time to time. And that was just what I really respect about the whole entire thing that went down. He did not let that deter him from the set goals that he had planned. He just pressed on and get started back on the things that he had already had in the pipeline. And then this is what it is today. He has named his team and just continuing doing what he's doing and what he enjoyed doing. So let's go over to Colaz naming his team.
Can't tell the back people, you don't know. What you have to say?
Yeah, man, that is it, man. Colaz #1 bad cameraman. Yeah, man, they are back on the team, you know, people. Yeah, man, you see all that thing them a go down. Now watch that, still there. Have faith and strong mind. Same with the whole team, same, you know. So Colaz, big up yourself all the while.
That is
yeah,
it.
Man, big up,
that
man.
is it. You know what thing of people?
Yeah, man.
See it there? Papi, T-bag, Canter, socks, and Climber there behind the camera right now.
Well, there you have it. That was Colaz naming the full team of who he plans to work with, and these are just the individual that has been a part of this channel and growing this channel into what it is today. But when you look on the whole entire thing that went down, there were so many different speculation and suspicions, and people have their own thing to say about the whole entire thing that went down, especially with one of the members the other day. But up until this point, this is how you know that this team is strong. They did not actually said anything about the whole entire matter. They kept it within the team itself, and that just goes to show you how teamwork make the dream work. So there have been many speculation and rumors going online as it relates to Canter and Colaz and what went down between the two, but none of them have said anything in relation to that, and many people believe as if Canter was out the team or got kicked off the team. However, it's very clear that Colaz is holding strong and pressing on with this current team, as he renamed them and actually stated who is going to be a part of his team, and this is the team that he plans to work with, which is really good. So people now can stop with the whole entire speculation and rumors that have been circulating on social media.
I just want to make you know, say, right now, going forward, I team this.
Yeah.
Seeing? We not add and we not minus. The only time a man supposed to go to Bam and say, you know, say, Colaz, way, and when him feel like, say, yo, him reach a level where him can do him thing, and I'm going to do him thing. Not say can do him thing, him going to do him thing. You see me? So, for now, we just come back to basic and give you guys the best experience when it comes down to creative cooking and some wicked adventure with some very, what you call it, you know, place like this where right now my foot are slip. If me slip, me gone. That's why I don't know how I covered up here, so I come down, you know. Everything I roll. But people, it's a good look.
Yeah.
Man, and to the team, I just want to make him know, say, yo, in spite of everything, as you can just say, we're not watching face. We're just there and we are doing the right thing. See? That's how the thing go. We're out here without fear. Yes, sir.
Take your time.
Yeah, man, that is it.
Well, I can say it's a good thing to see the team back together and sitting as a team and just enjoying this moment that people love to see and watch right across the globe. So I know that many people now is feeling elated based on the whole entire thing that was actually said in this video, and how the team is actually working together and mend the gaps that they had in the past and just moving on without any doubts in their mind that this team gonna be successful. And as Colaz said before, this team will remain together until someone decide whether or not they want to branch off and just do their own thing. And at the end of the day, he's giving people that opportunity to create their own channel, their own platform, to build their own name, which is a good thing. He's not keeping them isolated. He has opened the door for them to create a platform of their own, building their own name and brand for the world to see. He did not keep them isolated on his own. He created that avenue for them to explore their own personal gains and benefit from having a channel, which is really good. So Colaz have good in his heart for these team members that he's working with, and it just goes to show you how he's trying to build and mold them into what he wants them to be. And I know that he wished them all the best success that he's having at this point in time, and they will be successful as well because they are on Colaz platform and the world love Colaz.
Make sure you sit down comfortable, you know, guys. I'm not gonna mock at this. See it there? Take a look. Beautiful. Man, if I can work, man, see it there, man. Amazing.
Custom.
Boy, down there now, man.
Tune. See the menu here? Menu here wicked.
So the team was out in full swing once more, the whole entire team back together. I wonder if you saw how authentic the team put this video together, eating from a plastic bottle, using different cutlery to actually consume the food, and it was just a whole spectacular scene with the team coming back together in order to explore the open air and just create such a spectacular moment for the world to see. I really enjoy every moment of this video. Much respect goes out to Colaz once more, and just thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for subscribing, and continue to be a part of this lovely channel. This is where I believe I'm going to sign out for this one. This has been Links 007 TV Reviews. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day.